So you might be in a situation where for some reason file uploads are just not working within Deepseek. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that when you're going through, and if you're actually going through and uploading a file, you want to make sure the file is completely supported within Deepseek. Because sometimes that might not end up happening. If you're uploading a file that isn't supported, then that might end up giving you some issues. So just go through, make sure that isn't the problem, and that is pretty much the first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, number one, another big thing I'd recommend thinking about too is that you have to click on this plus button sometimes when you're uploading a file. Now, if you're going through, as you can see, if it says, file upload, uploading files is unavailable for searching, there might be some situations where your account type or there's issues going on with DeepSeek entirely. So you're sometimes just going to have to wait it out until they end up kind of fixing that problem. In this case, it doesn't really seem like it's a problem. It seems like it's a feature that's just not supported. So in this case, you might have to go ahead and click your account settings in order to kind of fix that. You can also sometimes try dragging and dropping files right into Deepseek. If you have a file just like this, you can go ahead and try dragging it and dropping it right inside of Deepseek, and you want to see if that ends up working too. But like I said, because Deepseek is one of these applications that still is kind of in a work in progress, you might have to go through, change up your particular settings, change up exactly what you're trying to do, and then you might be able to go through, as you can see, get this particular file upload option up by unclicking the search right here. So get out of search, click on plus, then you'll be able to pull up a document or a file, and that might end up fixing it for you. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.